Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the user profile picture on your Mac operating system. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to click on this system settings icon on the dock to open this system settings. Or you can click on this Apple logo here and then click on system settings, which is going to open the system settings here. As you can see here, my profile picture looks like this and I want to change it. So to change this, what I can do is I can go to the option which is called users and groups here, and then I can see on the right hand side all the list of all the users and groups. So in my case, I only have one user and this is the profile picture of that. So I can just select the profile picture. So I just need to click on this profile picture icon, right? So on side of your username, just click on profile picture icon here, and then you have multiple options to choose profile picture. You can set Memoji as your profile picture. So let me select one of the Memoji and then click on save. And it's going to save this Memoji as my profile picture. Or I can choose any emoji from here. So let me select this football emoji and then click on save, and this emoji is also saved as my profile picture. Also, you also have the option to select the monogram. So in my case, I have selected this kind of monogram earlier and then clicked on save, and this was the profile picture I was using until now, right? But I want to set a profile picture which I downloaded from internet, let's say, right? So I can set these default pictures from here, but if I want to just add a profile picture which I have downloaded from internet or I have on my computer, how can I do that? So if you want to use your camera to take the picture immediately and set it as your user profile picture, you can use this camera option. If you have your profile picture in your photos app, then you can select this photos option and then select that profile picture. If you have downloaded that picture from internet, or if you have that picture somewhere on your MacBook, so let's say I have this picture which I have saved into my pictures folder, and this picture I have downloaded from internet, right? So I want to add this profile.png as my profile picture. What I need to do is I need to select this picture and then press command key. So just press command key on your keyboard and then drag this picture on top of this profile picture icon just below all these options. So you can see all these options, and just below all these options you have this profile picture option. So just hover over on top of this profile picture, you will see the green plus sign. Just leave it there, and then your picture is imported into your user profile picture, and then you can either make it bigger or smaller, and then once you are happy, click on save, and this profile picture is set, right? So this is how you can change the profile picture on your MacBook. So just click on this option, and if you have any custom image, just drag and drop here in this area by pressing on the command key and selecting that picture. If you want to select any other picture like emoji or monogram or memoji, you can select from these options. If you have your picture in photos, just select the photos option and then select that picture. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.